Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Redmi 13 via recovery mode. First, you want to power off your phone. To do so, press and hold the power button until the power menu shows up, or you can just right away hold your power button even longer to force reset your phone if you can't do this. Then once it's off, press and hold the power button and the volume up button, and once you feel the vibration, stop holding the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until the recovery mode menu shows up right here. Then use your volume buttons to scroll to wipe data, confirm with the power button, scroll down and then again confirm, and then confirm again. This will perform the factory reset. Now you'll have to wait a bit. As this process can take quite a while, as you can see, you can just leave your phone be. You don't really need to do anything after choosing wipe data, except for after all of this just start the setup process. So you can honestly just leave your phone be somewhere, let it just sit and wait. As I just said, well, this process can be quite lengthy. Then after you wait for quite a long time, you'll be in the setup process. Just go through the setup process, choose your language, choose your region, and continue through. Agree to the terms of service, user privacy, continue. You can skip inserting SIM card if you had it already. You can connect to a network, and after connecting or skipping if you don't want to, you can continue. Then it's going to get your phone ready. Then you can copy apps and data from your backups or on other devices by connecting to them. Let's skip that for now. And just continue through. Might be another bit of waiting. Then you'll have to log into your Google account. After putting your account details in, you can continue on. Continue. This shouldn't be too long of a wait. Then just continue through. But as you saw, there is quite a lot of waiting included in this process. Let's continue through. Pick your browser. Pick your search engine. Set your screen lock or skip it if you don't want to. Let's skip for now. You can always do that in the security settings. Continue through with the Google Assistant now. You can use voice matching. Continue on. You can change anything in there if you want. Let's skip it for now. And then just look through the basic settings to see what you want to have turned on and continue. You can skip parental controls if you don't plan to give this phone to your child. Continue through. You can skip if you don't like anything. Let's use the up drawer option. this time for the home screen. And then it's going to be preparing your system again. Then after another quite lengthy wait, you can just continue through. And this should be it, I believe. Yes, as you can see, you are now on your phone. You can now continue using your device as you would have normally. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.